Hey everyone! Today I am going to teach you how to clean your clothing steamer. It can be a handheld one or the one with the bottom base, the tall pole, and that hose that connects to the steamer rake. Either one works. Before, I used to have the one with the bottom base and that long pole, and I didn't know that I had to clean it regularly, so over time there was white residue that built up, and it clogged the hole where the steam had to go up. So, lesson learned. Now I'm making this video to teach you and to remind myself to clean it. Here we go. So I got the steamer from Amazon, and I have included the link in the description box for you if you want to get it as well. And I love it because it is just so convenient. It's travel size, it's small, it's easy, you can just plug it in. It doesn't take up too much space. So here you can see there's some white residue, and so I'm using baking soda and distilled white vinegar that I got from my local market. It's pretty affordable, and I just pour in a little bit at a time. Not too much because the vinegar is very strong, just enough that it covers that silver area. Okay, and then I put in some water. I know mine is from a Brita pitcher, but you can get water from the tap water, from the sink. It doesn't really matter. The water is just there to dilute the vinegar so it's not too strong. And then you add some of your baking soda, a little bit at a time. Not too much as well. I like to put in at least 1 teaspoon, or maybe a little more, depending on how big your steamer is. I like to add enough so it's very effective and the distilled vinegar and the water mixes together well. There's only a tiny hole in my box, and I didn't want the whole thing to spill, so that's why I'm shaking it a lot. You'll see that the water is murky, which is completely normal. Now you just cover it up, seal it tightly, make sure it's secure, shake it up very well so that the mixture is evenly dispersed and covers that crusty part. Shake, shake, shake. All right. And you can see that I didn't fill it up all the way, just halfway. You will notice that there's a very strong vinegar smell, but it'll go away shortly. Don't worry about it. Just plug in your steamer, turn on the on button, and watch it boil and wait for it until it's done. The hot water should clean it very well, and it should activate all the ingredients together. It only took me less than a minute to do this, and I like to keep it there for a couple hours or more. Then I drain it out in the sink and rinse it with regular water so the vinegar doesn't smell. And there you go, clean as a whistle.